guys doing? You running? What do you want? Are you tired? You want to ride now? No. What do you mean you're tired? Okay, come on, let's go.
That was I think that will make the section.
You want to ride too? You're tired?
Yeah.
You guys just ran a little bit, like 5 minutes.
Yeah.
What's going on here? You guys are tired?
Yeah.
I can't believe it.
Because
Somebody's running.
Daddy, you have to go 7
You guys hiding?
No one saw us.
You guys gonna jump out and scare me?
Yes, right, Daddy.
Okay.
Be careful.
Okay. Look up and see if you see any birds. I don't see any birds yet.
I think this is a base.
Is a race? No, it's not a race, honey. Oh, there's another path. No, that goes out to the parking. We'll go straight. We'll go straight. There's another path. Go on. You gotta go straight.
Well, if we go straight, you're not going to make it in here. It's inside the fence.
Uh-huh. Did you hear some birds? I hear some birds chirping. This is a sanctuary for birds.
I think that's what the birds do. Yeah, they feed it. I think we're on a bend. Good. I think we're on a bend. You can do that. You can see any birds towards that on the left.
Oh, okay.
That's why we had these.
Oh. Are we going down the ramp?
Want to go follow us? I think there's water down here.
Some water? Where?
Down.
Don't touch the water. Don't touch the water, okay?
Now it's dry.
Oh, it's dry? Okay.
Daddy.
You guys want to come back up here and see if we can see some birds?
We're going round and around.
Yeah.
Dad, what if I was down the ramp?
Wait a second here.
Daddy, follow us. This way. We're going on a hike.
Yep. Going on a hike.
This way, Daddy.
Should we go there? Okay, we can go that way.
See, I told you. Let's go find the beach, Daddy. That's the beach. We're going to see the lake.
Yeah, okay. Want to go through the lake? Yeah, it's Lake Michigan, that's right.
The maze went to the beach.
Yeah, look at how big the waves are today. Whew. Dig.
We've actually been here before.
Have we been here?
Yeah.
I bet you're right.
That goes down here.
Okay, you can go down one step. Okay, just like this. There we go.
I can sit down. Let's go down one more.
There, just one. That's it. We can sit down here if you guys want. Okay, let's sit down. No, I don't want you standing though, because I don't want you going close to the water. What do you guys think? It's so beautiful out today. Pretty soon, in a couple months, it's going to be all frozen over. Can you imagine all this water frozen? Because winter's coming, yeah. Emery, stay right here.
Can we not touch the water, Daddy?
You cannot.
Why?
You cannot touch the water.
Why?
Well, because it's really hard to get to, and you could fall right in, and that would be really bad. You'd be cold, wet, and I'd be cold and wet because I'd have to get in there and get you out. And no thanks. I'm not doing that.
They have how we go to the beach. See, the beach is right there. Let's get to the water. Bye-bye.
Isn't that a beautiful lake? Look at their sailboats out there. You see them? See the sailboats out there? The white sails?
Daddy, look, those are jets.
There's a jet. You're right. Yep, that's an airplane. Climbing into the airport.
Look. I think the beach is up there. I see the beach.
The beach up there. That's the totem pole, isn't it? How cool. Look at that face on the bottom. And then there's all kinds of other stuff on the way up to the top.
I wish we could climb there and see
What kind of bird is that at the top? Is that an eagle?
Yeah, it's a green eagle.
Green one?
That's a ball.
You guys want a snack? You want a snack? I've got cinnamon swirl, I've got bananas, and I've got pear.
Can I have a pear?
Yeah, you want a pear? How about you, Emery? What do you want?
I want a pear.
Okay, I'm gonna go get some pears. Okay, here we go. Oh, thanks, bud. Thank you. Thanks for pushing that over here. That's very helpful. There we go. There, now we can get out our snacks. Okay.